The sun felt so nice today, even just coming in to work. Coming through the car windows, I had to roll the windows down. I was like, oh, it's actually kind of warm in here.
And you're both highfalutin sunroof people, right?
We are.
You have
Highfalutin.
No, I'm just asking.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
True.
Right. Good day for it.
I had mine open this morning, yeah.
Yeah, and that was the difference. We talked about only 5 degrees warmer. It makes a difference.
It does.
With the sun and all that. And so we were actually above average today. Our advertised 58 got to 63 in Portland, 64 in Bangor, but that made all the difference in the world. In addition to the cloud cover, we just had a lot less cloud cover around. A few clouds in the mountains. You can see the last satellite picture is actually a little bit more clear than I would have anticipated, so we might drop a few more degrees overnight tonight. Remember that cloud cover is a blanket. It keeps you a little bit warmer overnight. So clouds do come in eventually, second half of the night especially. So tomorrow morning I think you wake up and it's cloudy. Well, it depends on when you wake up, I guess, but it's generally going to be cloudy right through the morning. Temperatures in the low to mid 50s. But we get a good part of the day in for most of us before showers arrive. The exception to that will be southern coastal Maine into the mid-coast, where showers will start to develop along, it's kind of a convergence zone. This happens sometimes before a snow event too, where you've got a little convergence right along the coast that produces lift and showers. And you can see that popping up here through the middle of the day into the later afternoon. The showers start moving across the interior and eventually the mountains. And then everybody's in play by tomorrow night with off and on showers, some heavier downpours in there too. Maybe even a quick rumble of thunder can't be ruled out. And Saturday, as we've kind of played it all along, is generally wet. Now, is it raining all day? No, but good luck finding the breaks to do anything meaningful. I think outside it's just going to be periods of rain. There'll be sprinkles in between, cloudy when it's not raining. Heaviest rain is likely in the afternoon into the early evening over central and northern Maine. And then the question becomes, how does Sunday look? And that's really been the only thing we've been talking about. I told you from Monday that Saturday wasn't looking good. So could we squeeze out any decent weather on Sunday? I don't know. We've got a trailing trough coming through here. So the low's back here. The trough is extending into southern Maine, into the mid-coast. That's probably just rain here on Sunday. The question is, where does that trough set up? The European model puts it right over the mid-coast and southern coastal Maine and puts up some big rainfall numbers. The GFS model has that trough just a little bit farther north, but look what that does to the rainfall distribution. It makes the heavier stuff towards Bangor. So I'd say the best way to look at this is we're probably looking at about 2 inches of rain, and some areas could see over 3. We're going to try to nail down where that bullseye is over the next 12 to 24 hours, much like we would do with a snow map, right? Kind of refine. Luckily, it's not quite as important here as it can be with a snow map, but I will tell you, 3.5 inches of rain is not nothing, so we'll keep an eye on that. If you get a little sun somewhere on Sunday, great. I just don't think it's worth planning for at this point. Looks decent on Monday, Tuesday, and actually next week's pretty nice. We are probably in the mid, if not upper 60s by late week. Thursday's our thing lately, apparently. Yeah, Thursday looks good again. So yeah, the weekend is not great, but at least we've kind of had the same feeling on that all the way through here.
Yeah.
No big changes there.
Surprises, yeah.
Right. All right, Keith, thank you.